just spent the whole day with elephants and baby tigers. It was actually a pretty amazing day. The elephants in Pattaya, there's 2 elephants places you can go. One is, I think it's called Elephant Village. That's where they do shows and do rides and all that. Those elephants are taken care of very well. But we ended up going to the jungle elephant sanctuary, and the elephants, not a chain on them. They would walk up to you. We could feed them. We went, gave them a mud bath, went swimming with them. No restraints, no misbehaving of the elephants. They were all awesome and seemed to be very happy. So that was really good. So we're just gonna walk over to the local market and grab something to eat. So we're doing the coconut thing now, and we're gonna take some back. So some's in the fridge. One had disappeared, but nobody ate the coconut inside. And you just got 2 more. And how much were these?
25 baht.
Per each. So less than $1. A little bit of lime, a little bit of rum, that would be good. So the ones that we have in here, they've actually scraped the coconuts so you get the juice with a lot of the meat. But now we get a jellyfish. Then we got these guys, and they got chicken on the grill. All kinds of little chicken. Do you like some chicken?
You want to taste one?
Sure. One all chopped up in little pieces.
Not chicken.
Pork is good.
Okay, not chicken.
Pork. Oh yeah. Yeah, one all chopped up.
Okay, เอาอันนี้อันนึงเท่าไหร่นะ5 บาทฮะ15 บาท15อ๋อ15 บาท
Okay.
15 ไม้ไปแล้วจบ
No.
เอางั้นเอาตังค์มานี่เลยจะได้ง่าย
I should just give you all of this.
เอามาเยอะๆเลย
Top and cup. And what's she making? Smells very sweet. Is it like a dessert?
Dessert. Cake. And chicken dessert.
'Oh, and it's served in like a cone. Wow. Good job. And here's where the stuff gets really good. This is the you don't know what's in the pot thing, but it is so good. And you don't ask. One time I came here and I came late, and so it was after everybody ate everything, and I shouldn't have never looked in the bottom of the pot, but we're gonna try some of it tonight. Here's a big line of, let's looks like tripe, intestines. That's cheeks. Pig. That's pig cheeks. What's that? What's that? Squid. Chicken feet. We got chicken feet. We got chicken liver or beef liver, maybe chicken livers. These things. Like 110 baht. So that's only like 33 cents. We have some chicken, pork. We're gonna go around and then we're gonna come back. But yours look very good. So we just kind of did a walk around the inside. Now we're gonna go on the outside and see what they got. And then we're gonna decide what we're gonna have, right? Okay, here we go. We're outside in the rain. And all the carts. And so we got mangosteens, lychee nuts. I think those are called dragon fruit. Some grapes. A lot of corn. If you want to buy some lottery tickets, you're all set. What would that be? Fish balls? No, smells like fish balls. I didn't know fish had balls. Turkey, chicken. Oh, look at this. We got some snakehead fish. Fish livers, or chicken livers maybe. And then we're gonna wander up here. And this actually looks pretty good. We're looking at some, I'm not sure if they're prawns or they're fake prawns or what they are. There's some chicken hearts, or chicken livers, and mushrooms, and pork, and okra, and little corn. Cool. Oh, we got some calamari on the go. That is so good. Lots of calamari.
Hello.
Sorry. Hello. Here we have some oysters and prawns. I'm gonna do a bowl. Pick what you want. I'm gonna have some calamari. I totally recommend having a tour guide when you come to these places because you have a translator so you know what's going on. But so we have, not sure what the first one is or the second one. Cabbage leaves, cilantro, I think that's dill, green onions, so much stuff. All those chilies just to burn your face off. Whoop. Shit. And if you need some shampoo, this is the place to get it. Toothpaste, all kinds of stuff. I think I'm the only tourist in this whole place. This is a local place, local food. It's so good, all of to get some drinks. It's got a passion fruit smoothie, basically passion fruit juice. And Arun just got a coconut, and it's burnt, but very tasty. You would like a cuttlefish. Cuttlefish.